Hello friends! In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the old AirTag with the new AirTag in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Please note that, in the first case, an AirTag can be linked to one Apple ID. To use an AirTag previously used by someone else, they must remove it from their Apple ID. In the second case, if the previous user removed it but was out of Bluetooth range, reset it before using it with your devices, as explained in the second part of this video. The first step is to remove the old AirTag. Use the iPhone you initially set it up with and open the Find app on your iPhone. Go to the Items tab, tap your old AirTag, and scroll down. Tap Remove Item and confirm. If you can't remove the old AirTag, you can still add the new AirTag to your Apple ID. Apple allows up to 16 AirTags on one account. The second step is to set up your new AirTag. Unbox your new AirTag and hold it near your iPhone. A setup screen will pop up automatically. Ensure that the Bluetooth is turned on from the Settings app on the iPhone. If it's not popping up, then lock the phone and unlock it to see AirTag appear in a pop-up on the screen, like shown in this video. Otherwise, scan a new AirTag from the Find My app on iPhone, launch the Find My app, and under the Item tab, select the Add Item option. Wait to search for the AirTag screen, and as you find AirTag on the screen, tap on the Connect option. Select Name like Keys from the option and continue. Follow the on-screen instructions. Wait for your AirTag to show the details and confirm it. Now, AirTag has been added to your Apple ID and can be tracked in the Find My app like this. And check the Items tab. Find your new AirTag and tap Play Sound to ensure it works. And that's it. You've replaced your old AirTag with a new one. The second part is to reset AirTag, which was removed from Apple ID, but AirTag was not in the iPhone range. To reset AirTag physically, press down on the polished stainless steel battery cover of your AirTag. Rotate counterclockwise until stopped. Remove the cover and battery. Replace the battery. Press down until you hear a sound. Repeat 4 times. Press down until you hear a different sound. Replace the cover. Align the tabs with the slots. Press down and rotate clockwise until stopped. And your AirTag is ready to pair with your iPhone. If this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more new tips and tricks.